Hogside Sanho TV, I'm back at you. So I just got my package, from the postal service and all that stuff, the mailman. And come to find out, I only got one of my hydraulic cylinders. One, not two. Two packages, but only one cylinder. Got my two springs, which is totally cool. Got all that. But when I got the box, I did look at it. And you see that right there? I did do this part over here because I cut it with scissors. The scissors right there. But this was already open. They left it on my front door. And you can even see how that would actually slip right out. So I got this from the Hop Shop. Good recommended company and everything. Like I said, I just want my cylinder, you guys. Hopefully you guys can take care of me with that, because my 74 is just sitting on the ground because I need that other cylinder. And can't do it with just one. I need two to raise the back. So I can't do shit until. So hopefully you guys help me out or something. I sent you guys a message, I think there's like 129 just for two of these, so help me out, you guys, so we can get the 74 back on the road. You know how we do. So I'll talk to you guys later. Hogside Sanho TV. Got it from the Hop Shop. Later.